Hi friends, welcome to VCreation Technologies. Please do like and subscribe to our channel so that you will get latest notifications. And today in this video we will talk and discuss about what is list in C#. And also we will discuss what are the namespaces we need to use when we create a list in C# and what are the different type of operations like add range, everything in our upcoming videos. But in this video we will just discuss about the introduction and how to create a list in C#. So basically the list represents a collection of strongly typed objects which can be accessed with our index value. And also the list of T, because we usually use list of T where the T represents the type of objects, and it provides various type of functionalities like create, find, sort, search, and also manipulate the list items, because in our list it contains the items, say the list of items. And now we just see here how to create a list in C#. So as we know, the list is a generic class and which is just defined under the System.Collections.Generic namespace. So whenever we will just create a list, so we should use this namespace. Means before creating the list, we should declare this namespace on the top, like using System.Collections.Generic namespace. And these are few of the examples of list, like list of int 16, list equal to new list of 16s, and list of string authors equal to new list of strings 5. This 5 means its index values are fixed, means it is a fixed type of list of string. And this one is like we are creating a string array and we are just adding that string array into our list. And let me just move to Visual Studio to give an example also. So first of all we need to just add the namespace System.Collections.Generic. And here I will just create my list, like list of int 16 new also. Now I am just creating another list whose type is string. Equal to new list of string whose length is 5. Even if I can take many more examples, but we just, for the example purpose, we are just using here 2 lists, but we can use and create our many more list, which we will see in our upcoming videos. And here I just explained you about what is list and how to create a list, what are the namespaces we need to use in our list. So basically the list is a collection, and in the T is we need to pass the type of objects, which type of objects we just want to create for the list, like list of int, list of string, etc. And before creating a list we need to just add that System.Collection.Generic namespace, and after that we need to just create our list. And in our upcoming videos we will just see how to create a list, how to add item into list, how to remove, how to sort, how to reverse a list, how to find a list, etc. Thank you.